Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today I'll be taking a look at these Prada sunglasses, model SPR53V in color code 1AB-1I0. The color of the frame is black, and the lenses are green. And these glasses are a square shape. The temples are black, and you'll find the Prada logo in silver on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. The lenses are also UV protected. Inside its nose pads, you'll find the Prada logo in silver. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Prada logo that is made in Italy. And on its temple tip is the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 59 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box, and on the inside of the box is the Prada logo, a white Prada case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside of the case is the Prada logo, and the case is magnetized, a Prada dust bag that can be opened and closed, a black Prada cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.